Looking for the ultimate small RC car that can deliver serious speed and performance? You're about to discover 5 incredible remote control cars that will blow your mind with their power, durability, and lightning-fast speeds. Mention your affiliate links or discount codes here. Number 5. WLtoys 1/116 scale large RC car. This machine reaches impressive speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, making it perfect for those who want serious performance without breaking the bank. It comes fully assembled and ready to run straight out of the box, which means you can start your high-speed adventures immediately. What makes this car special is its simulation structure design that gives you the real car control feeling. You'll experience full-scale stepless speed control with rapid acceleration, smooth deceleration, precise braking, and effortless turning in both directions. The 2.4 GHz frequency delivers outstanding anti-interference capacity, giving you precise control from over 80 meters away. Number 4. JIUSI PT14R MT14R 11440D RC car. What sets this model apart is its lightweight yet competition-grade construction. The aluminum alloy chassis features front and rear cross-type double-layered support that significantly enhances the body structure's durability. This car looks absolutely stunning with its simulated front crash headlights and modified gantry style. You'll notice the rear-view mirrors and luggage rack that give it a strong off-road aesthetic while actually protecting the car shell during intense sessions. The entire vehicle uses high-precision bearings throughout, ensuring smooth operation and preventing thread slippage issues. Keep in mind, the tire performance on this model is exceptional. It features highly aggressive all-terrain tires with natural rubber treads and newly designed patterns that deliver super strong grip. No matter what surface you're tackling, this car handles it with confidence. Number 3. Teeggi 16101-16102 Pro 116 high-speed RC car. This model adopts simulation structure design that delivers authentic real car control feelings. You'll achieve full-scale continuously variable speed changes with high-speed driving, rapid acceleration, smooth deceleration, precise braking, and accurate turning capabilities. What makes this car impressive is its 4-wheel drive system with front and rear upright spring shock absorption. The double wishbone independent suspension system ensures stability even during the most aggressive driving sessions. The 2.4G full-scale synchronous remote control system provides full-scale throttle and steering control that responds instantly to your commands. Number 2. JCMO SG160 MX 80 km/h high-speed RC car. This car adopts simulation structure design that gives you genuine real car control feelings. You'll experience full-scale continuously variable transmission with high-speed driving, rapid acceleration, smooth deceleration, instant braking, and precise turning capabilities. The 4-wheel drive system is absolutely incredible. It features front and rear upright spring shock absorption with a double wishbone independent suspension system that handles any terrain beautifully. The 2.4G full-scale synchronous remote control system provides full-scale throttle and steering control that responds perfectly to your inputs. What really sets this model apart is its premium build quality. It uses metal differential cup, and powder planetary gears throughout the drivetrain. You'll find metal CVD front drive shaft, metal rear dog bone, and metal wheel cups that ensure this car can handle serious abuse. Number 1. 4WD Remote Control Car Off-Road 4x4 RC Car. What makes this the best small RC car is its superior speed, combined with incredible durability. This remote control truck adopts true 4-wheel drive with 4 independent suspension spring shock absorbers and an alloy drive shaft that's significantly harder than plastic alternatives. The collision resistance is phenomenal. Whether you're dealing with high-speed impacts, rollovers, or accidental falls, this car's solid anti-vibration body protects it from damage. The 2.4 GHz full-scale synchronous remote control system provides proportional control for both throttle and speed, while the metal oil-filled shock absorbers and anti-skid tires make operation incredibly stable. Conclusion: these 5 small RC cars represent the absolute best options for speed enthusiasts and hobbyists. From the budget-friendly WLtoys at 50 km per hour to our champion 4-valvular off-road car hitting 80+ km per hour, each model offers unique advantages for different needs and budgets. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights. See you in the next one.